Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the name of your Amazfit SmartScale device inside the app. And to do this, obviously you'll need to connect the SmartScale to the app. Next is to click on the scale. Then in the top right corner you can see the change name button. Click on it and now rename your device to any other name. Click save, and in a minute it should update. Or let's do this like that. Amazfit Smart Hard, as I've just renamed it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.